Number 1. Ollie Trezise. A toddler born with a rare condition called encephalocele, has been dubbed as a real-life Pinocchio by his mother Amy Poole. 21-month-old, Ollie Trezise, from Moastig, Wales, whose brain grows inside his nose, were forced to undergo several painful operations to close the gap in his skull and help him breathe. This rare condition causes his brain to grow through a hole in the skull, creating a protruding sac, and over 9 months his nose grew drastically, just like Pinocchio. And on November 2014, Ollie underwent a 2-hour operation at Birmingham Children's Hospital. Ollie is now fully recovered and he's a cheerful boy. Number 2. Olivia Farnsworth. She barely eats, sleeps and doesn't feel pain, leading doctors to dub her the Bionic Girl. Olivia Farnsworth baffled doctors when she was hit by a car and dragged down the street but walked away without shedding a tear. The 7-year-old, who often goes up to 3 days and nights without sleeping, has a condition is described as chromosome 6 deletion. She is believed to be the only person in the world to exhibit the 3 symptoms together. Mother, Nikki Trepak, from Huddersfield, said the condition meant her daughter had no sense of danger. She also once fell badly and ripped her lip off and didn't say anything. She had to have major plastic surgery to correct it. Olivia now takes medication to sleep and is generally a happy child but can suffer from violent outbursts. Number 3. Amelia Taylor. Amelia Taylor is often reported as the most premature baby, at 21 weeks and 6 days. Amelia Sonia Taylor was just 9.5 inches, 24.13 centimeters, long and weighed less than 10 ounces, 283 grams, when she was born October 24. She was delivered after just under 24 weeks of pregnancy. When she was born, amazing photos of Amelia alongside a ballpoint pen showed the world just how small she really was. Number 4. Isabel Kaplan. When Isabel Kaplan was born, she had a full head of hair, really full. In the 2.5 months since her birth, Isabel's hair has only grown more full, and appears to be perfectly coiffed. 2 months ago, Mackenzie Kaplan took a photo of herself and her daughter and posted it to her Facebook and Instagram accounts. A day later, her daughter with her full head of shining, dark brown hair had become an internet star, inspiring numerous conversations and memes starring her hair. Number 5. Jackson Buell. Jackson Buell was born without a large part of his skull and brain. Doctors told Brandon and Brittany Buell their son wouldn't live past a few weeks. In August 2015, the family celebrated his first birthday. After many months of tests and misdiagnoses, doctors finally diagnosed Jackson with microhydranencephaly, a severe brain malformation for which there is no known cure. Jackson's short life has not been without struggle, and his parents' candid accounts on social media have garnered global attention.